guy next door, and if I can cook, you can cook too. Today we're going to attempt to cook beef with assorted vegetables. Alright, some brinjals, and then we have green pepper, we have tomato, onions, garlic, some ginger, some button mushrooms, and celery leaves for garnishing. This is the beef that we are using, which is really cut into pieces like this. Okay, let's head to the kitchen. First, we marinate the beef with corn flour and soy sauce. Next, drizzle in some oil onto the pan and put in the marinated beef. Stir fry it and make sure both sides are evenly cooked. In another pan, we browned the brinjals. Put in also the green and yellow peppers, skin side down to brown it. The reason why we want to burn all these ingredients is because it tastes better when it is burnt. Now we coat all the ingredients with cooking oil. Throw in the sliced ginger, the pounded garlic, and also the onions which have been quartered. Now, drop in the button mushrooms and the quartered tomatoes. Remember the beef? Just put it in and stir everything together. Just for information, the beef I used is a top side, but you can use other parts if you like. Now the sauce: dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, tomato ketchup, and the white pepper. Stir them all in. Now is the time for corn flour. Just put a tablespoon of corn flour into some drinking water and pour it into the dish. This is done to thicken the gravy. Cover it, let it simmer for 10 seconds. Lift the cover off and stir fry for a while. Put in the Chinese wine. You can substitute the Chinese wine with Japanese cooking sake if you like. Okay, the dish is done. So, I'll just show you a very interesting dish, beef stir-fried aubergines. Now, if I can cook, you also can cook. Alright? Now, if you find this recipe interesting, kindly like and share our videos with your friends, with your neighbors, whoever. And subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have anything to say about this dish, or maybe you'd like to share some other recipes with me, just put it on the comment, and I'll hope that I could speak to you. Bye.